shut up.
Jump off for a second.
I'm going to have to still pretty fucking deep there, Skipper.
You're a fucking idiot.
Elena, come here, hold my beer. Yeah, hold my beer, watch this.
I can't count on it being, you know, there when you get back. You cold, Brett?
Damn fucker, I know these jackass.
Your brother's gonna pee his pants. Nice.
I'm peeing my pants in big river big in this.
You just missed that. Dude.
Hi, hi.
You just got the smoke sweat.
Brett, get out of the fucking water, dude.
Did you fucking hear that?
I got it.
Dude, it gave way first step. That was horrible. Oh.
You think I can go through that one?
Do it.
Hurry the fuck up and do it. Whiny little bitch.
I'm gonna punch you in the dick in about 5 seconds.
Hey, now give me your phone.
I don't got the smoke. I don't have the smoke. I have the beer though. You got a boogie again.
Let's start. This is all that matters.
Hey Calvin, your battery's gonna die.
Stand black. Battery. Beer.
Battery gonna die on the camera.
Is it?
Yeah, it's flashing at me. It's going, bitch, I'm gonna die.
And the brother's screaming like a motherfucker on the lower end.
We don't care about the brother.
No, he does care. Just
All right, shut it off.